Chloe, I would like to work with you today.
Okay.
Come with me. These are the number rods. Oh, they do look like our red rods, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to take a mat and unroll it on the floor. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Chloe, we are going to take the rods one by one to the mat. We're going to start from the shortest one. This. Would you like to carry this one?
Yeah.
There you go. Now we have all the rods on the mat. Now let's take a look. Chloe, we are going to make sure that the red end of each rod is on the left side, okay? So we're going to flip this one over. Can you flip this one over? Okay. Now, Chloe, we're going to start from the longest one. Can you find the longest one?
This one.
Okay, let's pick it up. Flush. Flush.
What does flush mean?
That means they line up here.
Okay.
And line up with the top edge of the mat. Now, can you find the next longest one?
This one.
Okay. Up here. Flush. Now, can you find the next longest one?
This one.
Now, would you like to put it up to form the stairs? Yes.
This one's uneven.
Let's flush. Yes. Now, next one.
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, look at our number rods stairs. Now take a look. Just like our red rods, we can walk our fingers, our hands up. Would you like to give it a try? Use your two hands.
Sure.
Yes. Okay. Chloe, would you like to do it again?
No.
If ending the exercise here, invite the child to do it. Would you like to have a turn? If the child says yes, randomize the rods. After the child has performed the exercise, complete the work cycle. On another day, invite the child to do exercise 2 with you. Ask the child to build the number rod stairs by herself. Tell her to come to tap you when she's finished. Okay, Chloe, you have built the number rod stairs. Today, I would like to show you something new.
Okay.
Each of these rods has a name. 1. This is 1. This is 1. Now, Chloe, your turn. Count it and name it.
1. This is 1.
Yes, this is 1. 1, 2. This is 2. Your turn.
1, 2. This is 2.
This is 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Your turn.
1, 2, 3. This is 3.
This is 3. Now, Chloe, this is 2. Please count it for me.
1, 2.
This is 2.
This is 2.
Chloe, this is 3. Will you please count it for me?
1, 2, 3. This is 3.
This is 3. This is 1. Will you please count it?
1. This
1.
is 1.
The first period of this 3-period lesson should be prolonged as long as necessary, until you feel the child could probably recognize these rods when they were named. When you feel the child is ready, you can move on to the second period of this 3-period lesson. Chloe, let's find 2.
This is 2.
Let's count 2.
1, 2.
Chloe, let's find 3.
This is 3.
Let's count 3.
1, 2, 3.
Chloe, let's find 1.
Yes. 1.
Let's count it. 1. Now, Chloe, close your eyes. Now, Chloe, open your eyes. Can you find 3?
This one.
Let's count it.
1, 2, 3.
Can you find 2?
This one.
Let's count it.
1, 2.
Let's find 1.
This one.
1.
1.
Prolong the second period if necessary. This could be done by placing each of these 3 rods around the room. Ask the child to find each rod, one at a time. Bring it back to you and count the partitions. When you feel the child is ready, you can move on to the third period. Chloe, what is this?
2.
Let's count it.
1, 2.
Chloe, what is this?
3.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3.
And what is this?
1,
Let's count.
1.
1. Chloe, thank you for working with me today. Let's clean up.
Okay.
At another time, when the child can easily count and name the first 3 number rods, introduce number rod 4 and 5 in the same manner. Introduce the rest of the rods over the next few days. It takes several lessons to present all the rods. When presenting the later rods, you would probably like to keep the rods in sequence and only take out the 2 or 3 rods which you are presenting, placing them near the front of the mat. Also, when the child counts the longer number rods, she cannot hold them extended with one hand as she counts with her other hand. She could hold the rod vertically with one hand, having one end on the mat, or you could hold the rod for her as she counts. She also could just leave the rod on the mat as she counts. After the child has worked a long time with the number rods and knows them very well, you can play games with the child using the number rods. Unroll 2 rugs at a good distance from each other. Invite the child to put rods on the first rug, or the teacher sets up the rods herself. Position yourself by the second rug and tell the child to bring rods that you ask for. For example, bring me 5 rods. Have the child count the rod. This game can be played at 3 levels. At level 1, place the rods in order on one rug. Ask for them in order on the second rug. At level 2, place the rods in random order on one rug. Ask for them in order on the second rug, or vice versa. At level 3, place the rods in random order on one rug. Ask for them in random order on the second rug. When the child gets older, you can play more advanced games with her using the number rods. Ask the child to bring to the mat the 5th rod. Instruct the child, bring the rod that is one more or one less than the rod we have on the mat. When the child brings the rod, have her check by counting. Continue requesting rods in this fashion, assembling a stair as you proceed. When the child is ready, you can invite the child to bring the rod that is 2 more or 2 less than the rod from the center of the series. Adjust as you proceed to fill in the sequence.